everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to something different, very different. We are going to Lachit Borphukan's Moidam, and this is situated around 16 kilometers from Jorhat town. So from 16 kilometers from Jorhat town, this is the way we have to enter. It's given here Jatiya Bir Lachit Borphukan Moidam or Turon. So let's take you in. Arrived here, it's around 1.4 kilometers from the gate that we entered in, and now let's walk you into the Moidam. So this is the place, beautifully done up, and you have a ticket counter. You need to buy your tickets. So as we walk around, we have gardens on both the sides done up, and pieces of artillery. So when we talk about Assam, one famous name there, one of the most famous or the famous general of the Ahom rulers was Lachit Borphukan, and Assam is known for his bravery during the Battle of Saraighat, when it was only because of his valor and enthusiasm and patriotism towards his country, motherland, that Assam was saved from the attack of the Mughals. Beautifully done up, just like a garden where you can come over and have a look and enjoy in the evenings. I guess this is lighted up and it must be looking beautiful. And there you have the statue of Lachit Borphukan. We have this famous saying in Assamese that his words, "Techot koi mumai dangor nohoy," and he's said to have chopped off the head of his maternal uncle just because he was sleeping when he should have been working during the Battle of Saraighat. So this is the statue of Lachit Borphukan, and it's given here in our script, "Techot koi mumai dangor nohoy." So as I walk you around, let's go and have a look at the history of this place, the historical significance of Lachit Borphukan and the Battle of Saraighat. So he's a national hero, Lachit Borphukan, and this particular place is known as Holongapet in Jorhat. So he was born in 24th of November 1622 and died just a year after the Battle of Saraighat in 1672. The Battle of Saraighat was fought in the year 1671. After the historic winning of the Battle of Saraighat, while they were returning to celebrate in Rangpur, the Ahom capital, on the way, due to natural causes, Lachit Borphukan died, and then his mortal remains began to be transported via the boat. But however, on the way, it began to decompose, and hence, on the orders of the king, they were buried here, and the Moidam built in his honor. This is the Moidam. The Moidam is a place where the mortal remains of the Ahom rulers and generals are kept and preserved. So here we have it done up beautifully, and I'll just take you around to show you how beautifully it is kept. And this, as I said, is the Moidam of Lachit Borphukan, and it has been declared as a state protected archaeological site. Lesser known as a place of tourist attraction, but here remains the mortal remains of the ablest of Ahom generals, Lachit Borphukan. We also have a small museum which is known as the Lachit Bhavan. So let me take you there. This will show you what is inside. Sandstone, and this is the Lachit Bhavan. Okay. And here we have, it's a small museum where we have, these are the I think war instruments, war weapons that they had used during the war. And this is Tolia. So this is, and I think this is a sort of a, yeah, it's a big frying pan, looks like. And these are the other from the days of the Ahom. The brides used to be taken to the place of the groom in this, what is known as the Dula. We also have a famous song by Bhupen Hazarika, which Dula Hai Dula. And here too we have, okay, this is, yeah, bow and arrow there. And this is another Dula there. This looks like the plate, the bowl where they used to have food. This is what history, the way it fascinates us. So these, some other things from those times are preserved so that interested people can have a look and also study. Here we have some garments, King Kapor Sador, King Kapor Riha, and here this is King Kapor Mekhela, the Assamese traditional dress. And this, we also have Bor Pira, used for sitting down and for eating. Supposedly is the motong, some other, might be they had used it to cook their food, but the people study history will know it better. These instruments and articles of use were found all over, but they were collected together. So,
he was the governor of Assam. He was also a great general. So while he was the governor of Assam, he has seen a lot of valiant generals of Assam were there, but their remains and our history is not kept well. So he somehow identified that this Maidam of Lachit Borphukan, and in 2005 he has taken the project of
to establish
this Maidam. Yeah. So also
the model,
ultimately he succeeded in keeping the statue of the great General Lachit Borphukan in Western Defence Academy, NDA. So if you go to NDA, then you will find this statue of Lachit Borphukan.
Yeah, the mortal remains are already
and
here.
And this is a sign of a great tribute from a general to a general.
Yes, but the mortal remains were already there, but he had actually beautified the whole city.
Was also there.
Yeah, Moidam was already
there. But it
was
not known to everybody.
It was not known to everybody. So this is, we salute this great effort by Lieutenant General S.K. Sinha.
Jun Kumar Gugoi.
Jun Kumar, apni yate caretaker hisabe thake neki?
Hoy, caretaker hisabe asu yate.
Hoy, manu kiman ahe baru?
Gunman ahe, gunman apnar bahut hoy. Etu dhoribo nai mane.
Hoy. Aro ene kiba yate cinema tuna shooting hoisile niki tya?
Cinema ne dhok video tenka shooting khini hoi thake manhe manhe. Aru photographer tenekwa. Ni aru manu. Furibole bechi ahe.
Furibole bechi ahe. Keta bajat khule ratipa?
আমি 9টা 10টা তেনেকত খুলি দিও আৰু 5টা 6টা তেনে খোলা থাকে আৰু
ঠিক আছে আৰু এন্ট্ৰি ফি টু কিমান
আপোনাৰ 10 টকা এজন
10 টকা ঠিক আছে বাইদেউ আপুনি কওকচোন কিমান কেতিয়াৰ পৰা কৰি আছে ইয়াত কাম
2 বছৰ হ'ল কৰি থকা
2 বছৰ ন মানুহ আহে ন চাবলে আমি নিজে নাজানিছো আজি আহি ভাল লাগিলে ভাল লাগিলে থ্যাংক ইউ It was really a pleasure to come here and have a look at something that we had not known that even existed. We enjoyed being in history for some time and experiencing, at least historical moments of historical significance here in the Moidam. So I hope you like this particular vlog. You come and have a look at the historical significance that it bears in the history of Assam and how well it is preserved and protected for posterity. I hope you'll like this particular vlog of mine. You'll give it a like and a thumbs up. And of course, come and enjoy some moments here in the Moidam of Lachit Borphukan. Thank you.